What is blended learning? Presented to you by Heart of Worcestershire College, an EdTech demonstrator college. Blended learning is a combination of face-to-face learning and online content that can be accessed and completed independently. It allows teachers to supplement, support, and extend classroom learning using a range of online tools and digital learning experiences without the restrictions of a physical learning space. As quoted by Yamagata Lynch, 2014, a blended approach is where a blend of both synchronous and asynchronous delivery is deemed to be the most inclusive and engaging approach to remote learning. What we mean by asynchronous delivery is where learners are able to work through the online content at a time to suit them. And synchronous delivery is a live lesson where all learners are asked to be present at the time of the delivery. Blended learning can consist of, but is not limited to, such areas as webinars, live lessons, demonstration videos, independent learning tasks, online assessments such as quizzes or online submissions, collaborative tasks, project work, and any further reading, listening, and watching. There are many benefits of blended learning, including developing independent learning skills, the development of digital skills, the fact that learners can access learning at any time to suit them. It can contain such a range of mixed media to add variety and increase engagement. It removes all geographical barriers, allowing learners to collaborate with others from different classes, institutions, and countries. It can also offer the opportunity of learning simulations in a safe remote environment and can be personalised to meet individual learners' needs. There are some considerations of blended learning which do need to be taken into account and can affect user experience. To start, learners and staff will need access to devices and the connectivity in order to run the sessions. The learning itself needs to be relevant and pitched at an appropriate level for individual learners to ensure levelness and differentiation. We must also consider ways to motivate those who are less likely to engage independently, all while ensuring any content which is provided is fully accessible. Here are some examples of blended learning do's which you will want to take into account. Online learning materials should align and complement the curriculum taught in a face-to-face environment, ensuring they follow a logical sequence. It should be supported with an allocated teacher or tutor to maintain engagement and ensure learners are able to make contact easily. There also needs to be clear learner expectations for online conduct. Any online work needs to be presented in a clear, structured way, detailing how you expect the learner to work through the tasks and what the intended outcomes are. Use a variety of mixed media and digital tools, such as videos, quizzes, webinars, and podcasts, and include regular knowledge checks and personalised feedback. Any online learning needs to be interactive and should include extension activities for stretch and challenge. And they need to always follow safeguarding protocols and reinforce online safety and guidance. Try not to fall into the trap of these blended learning don'ts. Don't post resources online with no support. This is an example of online learning, not blended learning. Don't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Personalisation is possible and crucial. Don't forget to give learners a supported induction on how and where to access online learning, along with where they might need to go for any support. Don't set unrealistic tasks, as learners will quickly lose engagement. Don't forget that learners are using a range of devices and software. Everyone needs to be able to access and complete online learning equally. And try not to only deliver online using one format. Look to offer a blend of synchronous and asynchronous styles where possible. Thanks for watching this introduction to blended learning. Check out the website for more EdTech demonstrator videos, and if you would like more support on this topic, please get in touch.